Hi, and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make a black cherry Kool-Aid pie. So into my mixing bowl, I am pouring a can of sweetened condensed milk. Now I've decided that the Kool-Aid pies I've tried have been a little light on flavor. So instead of one packet of black cherry Kool-Aid, I am going to be using two. So pour those into my condensed milk and stir until completely mixed in. Now I'm going to add a tub of thawed frozen whipped topping, once I have that all blended together, I'm going to spoon that into my graham cracker pie crust. Smooth this around. Now I'm going to put a lid on it and refrigerate it for a few hours. And I'll be back. Okay, here's my black cherry pie. Black cherry Kool-Aid pie. It's been chilling for a bit. So I'm going to pop out a slice. Oops. There's a nice slice of pie. Let's give it a little taste. Rich and creamy, and it has a little bit of black cherry flavor. But if you enjoyed this recipe, please like it and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.